Good.
Good morning, ma'am. Would you like to introduce yourself first?
Yes, I am Annie Evangelista, a dentist by profession, and around 10 years working as a dentist.
As a dentist, ma'am, what are the fields in science which is involved in your business?
There are a lot of fields in science, almost all of fields in science are involved in this profession, in this career. For example, we have biology, botany, chemistry, physics, and of course, dentistry. In dentistry, there are so many sub-branches of science that we tackle during our classes, and also related in this field.
You mentioned chemistry. What are the things in your work wherein chemistry is being applied?
For example, we use dental materials for our restoration. The compatibility of the substances in this material should be into consideration for success in treatment.
Do you think dentistry is possible without chemistry?
No, I don't think so, because in many ways, chemistry is so much related in our field. For example, as what I said, the materials, the chemicals, the composition, you should take it into consideration, like the compatibility, what is best for the treatment, like that.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's all.
Panginoon.
Okay lang. Stop.